Are you looking for your better half? Shucks, where do you even find our missing better half? Most of us are wandering through the garden of reality looking for the absent part of ourselves somewhere out there. So we may find ourselves in a string of superficial and unfulfilling relationships, hoping that somehow that hole within us will become whole. Enter the lovers. In Jungian terms, this card represents Syzygy, or the divine pairing of opposites. The masculine figure in the card could be viewed as consciousness, or the ego and the animus, while the feminine figure could be seen as our subconscious, or our intuition and anima. So we tend not to see people as they are, but rather through the lens of our own inner opposite. We project our missing potential onto others, then wonder why our reality feels so fragmented. So when we withdraw the projection and stop looking for completion in the external world, and strive to integrate the missing half within, that's when the anima and animus can finally align, and the angel of the superconsciousness can begin to express itself through us. Our whole self, our holy self. So stop looking out there and seek the naked truth within. Otep, y'all.